When we looked at ipconfig/all, we saw something like this, and we pointed out the lease for my IP version 6 address was obtained here Saturday, November 21st, 2020 at 10:37. It's good until November 28th at 10:37. So we have a 7-day lease for our IP version 6 address. Down here we only have a 2-day period of time for our IP version 4 address. If I had a wireless adapter going, it might be only 8 hours because those are devices that tend to come and go. Now, these time periods are all set up at the DHCP server. So the DHCP server administrator would determine how long they want these to be. Mine are just set to the default right now. But as we saw earlier in the DHCP process, the client is the one that actually goes out and asks for an address. It's not pushed out, it's pulled from the client. So what's going on the client side here? Well, as soon as that DHCP address is handed out, let's say this is the start time here, and over here is the end time, the expiration, and start. The computer is going to be nice and happy with that address for the first half of that period of time. And then it's going to go out and request a new DHCP IP address. If it does not get a response and it's not renewed, by the way, if it is renewed, then this time starts all over again. But if it is not renewed for some reason, the DHCP server is not online, for example, it's going to go half of this time again and try again. And then it's going to go half of this time again and try again. It's just going to keep doing that until finally this time is expired. The time and date is passed that the DHCP server gave us as an expiration date. Now, if nothing happens at this point and we still don't have one, then our computer will assign itself an APIPA address, APIPA, which stands for Automatic Private IP Address. The APIPA address will be a 169.254.something, and it will assign itself that. And of course, that has a default mask of 255.255.0.0. So this portion over here is the network ID. It does that so that if I had more than one device that does not have an IP address from the DHCP server, at least they would have some connectivity among themselves.